How to unhide posts in Craigslist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see how we can unhide posts on Craigslist. So without further delay, let's dive into this video. So first of all, you have to open up Craigslist. So once you're on this interface, now to find your hidden post, you have to head towards this left hand side, and here you have to go towards the event calendar and now click on it. So these are all the posts. Before we move towards the hidden post, first of all, let's hide a post. Next to this post, there is this hide option. It says hide posting. All you have to do is click on it, and then the post will be hidden. Now to unhide post, what you have to do is from this interface, navigate to the top right corner. There are some options here. Here, click on Faves. Again, once you get to this interface, if you navigate to your top right corner, there is this hidden icon. Click on hidden. So these are the hidden posts in Craigslist. So to unhide them, all you have to do is click on this unhide option, and then the post will be unhidden. Again, click on unhide. Now if you go back, you will find your post which is hidden previously. So in this way you can unhide posts on Craigslist. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.